All right, now we will move on to the final page of our review. Find the first term of a geometric sequence. So this does not say sum, so that eliminates the bottom row. First term, and it is geometric, so it's got to be this formula right here. So A sub 8 is 77,207.15625 equals A1, which is what we're looking for, times R, which is 3.5, to the n minus 1, or 8 minus 1 power. So in order to cancel this out, I need to divide by 3.5 to the 7th power. So 77,207.15625 divided by 3.5 to the 7th power. And we get a sum, or we get a first term of 12. Find the sum of the series, and this is not just the first so many terms, it is an infinite series, so we're using this last formula right here, which is only usable if R is less than 1. So R means it is geometric, and it has to have an absolute value of less than 1. In the numerator, the number is not changing. So I would say the numerator has an R of 1. In the denominator, 1, 4, 16, it looks like it's multiplying by 4, so there's an R of 4. So I could say that we are multiplying by 1/4, so R is 1/4. And it is true that the absolute value of R is less than 1, which means it's between -1 and 1. So that means that I can use the formula for the sum of the infinite series. So S sub n equals first term over 1 minus R, and R is 1/4. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4, so that's 1 over 3/4. The outer loop gives me 4, and that's 1 over 1, so the inner loop gives me 3. So the sum is 4/3. Same thing, find the sum of an infinite series. So there must be an R in order for this to work. So I'm going to assume that it's an R. 1 over 0.4. Let's see, 1 divided by 0.4 is 2.5. And then 2.5 divided by 1 is also 2.5. So there is an R of 2.5. The absolute value of R is not less than 1, which means I can't use that formula because the sum is infinite. There is no limit to the sum.